Hey friends, my name is Pacheco and you are watching my YouTube channel Quick Tasty Bites. Today we are going to see how to make easy, simple chicken biryani recipe. So basically biryani is a mixed rice dish which is a speciality of the Muslims. Take a cooker and add 2 mop of rice in it. Now add 2 cup of water. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now cover the cooker and keep the gas on high flame and close the gas after 1 whistle. Now take a utensil and add the chicken in it. Now add 1 cup of dahi in it. Now add 4 green chili and 1 tablespoon of aloo lasun paste. Now mix the chicken and marinate it for 5 minutes. Once the chicken is mixed, marinate it for 5 minutes. Heat a pan and add half cup of oil in it. Once the oil is heated, add the onions in it. Fry the onions until it becomes light brown. Now as you can see that the onions are fried, so close the gas and remove it in a plate. Now once the onions are removed from the pan, keep it aside. In the same pan, add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Now keep the gas on high flame and let the ghee get heated. Once the ghee is heated, add jeera in it. Black pepper, bay leaves, elaichi, cloves and the tikki, and mix it well. Now add the marinated chicken. Now mix it nicely. Add the haldi in it. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala and 3 tablespoons of biryani masala. And now mix it well. And now add the tomatoes in it. Mix it nicely. Now keep the gas on slow flame and let the chicken get cooked. Now keep the gas on high flame and let the chicken get cooked. Now add half tablespoon of salt in it and mix it well. Once the chicken is cooked, keep the gas on high flame and let the masala thicken. Once the masala is thickened and the masala is leaving the oil, close the gas and keep it aside. Now take 2 bowls and add the food color in it. Now add little water in it. And stir it well. Take a utensil and add 1 layer of chicken and the masala in it. Now add 1 layer of rice in it. Now add the fried onions in it. Now add the food color. In the same manner, add another layer. Now add the rice in it. Now add Now switch on the gas on slow flame and cover the chatti with a lid and keep the biryani for 5 minutes on slow flame.